Hi, this is Tobias Hullett with Team Reacher. I am the project manager and structures lead, and today I'm going to be going over our water landing drop test, which is meant to see how our UAV Hero 1 reacts in high impact water landing conditions and to make sure that it performs well and maintains its structure without damage. Here's a quick system overview, very obvious, full assembly of our aircraft. We needed to do a full assembly just to make sure that our CG and center of buoyancy are set and we have the proper weight that we're dropping. Here are a few driving functional requirements. Basically, we needed to have a vertical takeoff and landing UAV that works on water. It can take off and land on water, and it needs to be able to float once it lands and sustain the impact without damage. For this experiment, we first assembled Hero 1, transported it to the lake, and then we had two people pick it up by the tail boom and leading edge of the wing, and then held it at a specified distance that we measured with a ruler. On the count of 3, we dropped Hero 1 into the water, and then observed how it reacted upon impact, whether it stayed stable, and whether it sustained any damage. Here's a quick video to show our experiment. This is Tobias. The results from this experiment were pretty basic just because we couldn't really have quantitative data results. We were really just observing if water got into the fuselage and whether it sustained any damage. For all 3 tests, we saw 0 damage. The aircraft would still be flight ready if it landed on water, even at high impact with it being dropped out of the sky. Our highest impact velocity was 3 meters per second, which is over double what we were to be expecting. In real flight scenarios, when we're hovering down to landing, that's a drop from 18 inches with a impact velocity of 9.83 feet per second, or 3 meters per second. In this test, we still had 0 damage. So for all 3 tests, we got a level 3 level of success with impact stability. It returned to equilibrium very quickly and sustained 0 damage. We designed Hero 1 to be able to land on water, so it is really exciting to see that it performs really well, even when being dropped on the water at 3 meters per second. The fuselage, the wing floats, the wing, and everything else on the assembly had 0 damage, and then as it fell, or after it fell, it maintained stability very easily. We don't expect a free fall drop from heights more than 6 inches when we're hovering down to landing, and we tested a drop height 3 times that. So we're confident that our UAV is ready for flight and ready for water landing operations. really have no performance or safety concerns in this area of our build. That's all. I hope this is a comprehensive presentation.